You're in Kolkata, your father is in Delhi. I'm sure you've spoken to him this morning. Was he anxious today?
No, not at all.
Did he go about his daily work like he does every day?
Yes, yes. All routine job he did.
Alright, there are already people queuing in to congratulate him. What are the scenes like? What are you hearing from Delhi about what's happening there? What's happening in Birbhum, where you have more people from your family over there who are already celebrating this occasion?
Yes, it's time to celebrate now, but rather I'll suggest them, hold on for some more time, let this officially be declared, only then you should go for this.
Abhijit, has your father ever shared with you as to what he plans to do when he takes over as the president? Is there anything on agenda that he's already thought of which he wants to do first of all?
Not exactly, we have not discussed on the subject.
But as his task is also cut out, there are a lot of things, especially with regards to mercy petitions that are pending. Also, the overspending in Rashtrapati Bhavan that is also under scrutiny. Are these things that Pranab Mukherjee would be looking at the minute he enters Rashtrapati Bhavan? Because we all do know that he is a workaholic.
Yeah, definitely he'll find out some more important job also. There's plenty of job that other presidents used to do. And he'll also do the same thing, but like me, he's also almost new in this particular field. We do not know much about the role and responsibility of, we means not my father, me. So definitely he must have thought of some specific targeted job, and he will perform that, and definitely he'll find out more job for himself to keep himself busy.
Abhijit, your father's been a congressman for over 4 decades now. His role, even as president, will perhaps be under scrutiny every time he makes a tricky decision. Is that something that weighs on your father's mind?
Repeat this question, last portion.
Is the fact that he has been a congressman for so long and that his role even as president could perhaps be under scrutiny as far as the opposition is concerned, does that weigh on your father's mind ever, or is he confident that he'll be able to do justice in the role of the president?
Definitely he'll be able to do justice on the role of president. And all presidents or anyone, in fact in India, always will be under scrutiny under the media as well as public or even political opponent parties. Definitely under scrutiny.
Alright, Abhijit, your father is perhaps a role model to many in politics. Does he have a role model when he steps into Rashtrapati Bhavan? Has he ever told you, is there anybody he would like to emulate?
But I think Dr. Radhakrishnan, once he referred Dr. Radhakrishnan's name in this context. So, although it was not clear, neither we bluntly asked him. So, I think that he was reading a lot of books on Dr. Radhakrishnan, and maybe that he may be his role model for this presidency.
Alright, and one last question, Abhijit. You know, it's no secret that Pranab Mukherjee would have liked to be the Prime Minister of the country, but is the post of the president, with that, will all the past regrets, past missed opportunities will not be regretted anymore by him?
Look, he is a permanent Prime Minister. He is PM, Pranab Mukherjee. So he doesn't regret that he has not become PM. But he has become the President of India, which is equally and constitutionally the highest position. And the Prime Minister, both Mrs. Indira Gandhi as well as Dr. Manmohan Singh, even Mr. Narasimha Rao, they trusted him, gave him responsibility. So he enjoyed their confidence, which is as good as performing under as a Prime Minister as number 2. So I don't think so he has any regret on that. And obviously he will be out of active politics, active executive point of job during his presidency. So that he has to adjust and he has to tune up himself. That's all.